This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Bryce C. Jones, PC, broker less than bedroom greater than ABR, CRS, ePro, GRI, RSBS, SFR. Classic Sunriver design with a contemporary feel. Tucked away with views of the Woodlands Golf Course and a common area, 13 Alpine Lane. In Sunriver is an easy-to-live-in permanent residence or second home. The reverse living floor plan takes advantage of the views and affords privacy. The large primary suite is on the same level as the kitchen and great room and has large walk-in shower and an oversized walk-in closet. The primary suite also has access to a small private deck off the bedroom and access to the large wraparound deck and hot tub from the bath. On the lower level there is a large utility/mud room, bonus/media room, a second primary suite and another guest bedroom. There is also access to the lower deck and common area. The attached two-car garage is deep with room for your toys. For over 50 years, Sunriver Resort has been making memories for generations of